Welcome to a mesmerizing world where nature and creativity unite to create breathtaking resin art masterpieces using real dried flowers. Every flower tells a story, and every resin creation preserves that story forever beneath a crystal-clear finish that sparkles like glass. In this inspiring artistic journey, you'll discover countless elegant resin art ideas that transform delicate blooms into luxurious handmade decor and meaningful keepsakes. Watch as vibrant petals, graceful leaves, tiny wildflowers, and natural botanicals are carefully arranged into stunning compositions before being sealed forever in premium resin, creating timeless pieces that celebrate the beauty of nature in its purest form. Explore the fascinating process of choosing the perfect flowers, drying them correctly to maintain their natural color, designing balanced floral layouts, and pouring resin with precision to achieve a flawless, bubble-free finish. Each project demonstrates how patience, creativity, and attention to detail can transform simple natural elements into sophisticated works of art suitable for modern homes, rustic interiors, minimalist spaces, and elegant gift collections. From enchanting floral coasters and decorative serving trays to luxurious wall panels, personalized bookmarks, jewelry, candle holders, photo frames, ornaments, keychains, clocks, table decor, paperweights, and unique home accessories, every creation showcases endless opportunities for artistic expression. Discover how combining dried roses, lavender, daisies, baby's breath, ferns, eucalyptus, hydrangeas, pressed leaves, and colorful wildflowers with shimmering pigments, metallic flakes, pearl powders, translucent inks, gold leaf, silver accents, and subtle glitter can produce extraordinary visual effects that capture attention instantly. Learn valuable techniques for mixing resin accurately, preventing bubbles, achieving smooth edges, creating layered botanical designs, adding dimensional depth, polishing glossy surfaces, and protecting finished artwork for long-lasting durability. Every step reveals practical inspiration for beginners while offering fresh creative concepts for experienced resin artists seeking innovative floral compositions and modern decorative styles. The calming process of arranging flowers becomes a mindful artistic experience that encourages creativity, relaxation, and appreciation for nature's delicate beauty. Whether preserving flowers from a wedding bouquet, celebrating seasonal blooms from a personal garden, or creating thoughtful handmade gifts filled with sentimental value, resin art provides a meaningful way to capture life's most beautiful moments forever. Explore contemporary geometric molds, elegant circular designs, abstract botanical arrangements, ocean-inspired floral patterns, vintage aesthetics, minimalist compositions, and colorful layered effects that allow each artwork to express a unique personality and artistic vision. Discover how natural light enhances transparent resin, illuminating every petal and revealing intricate floral details from every angle. Experience the satisfaction of transforming fragile blossoms into durable treasures that can be displayed, gifted, collected, or even sold as premium handmade creations. Whether your passion is creating luxurious home decor, personalized wedding favors, seasonal ornaments, artistic centerpieces, or memorable gifts for loved ones, these beautiful resin art ideas inspire endless imagination and limitless creativity. Every finished piece becomes a celebration of craftsmanship, botanical elegance, and timeless design, reminding us that even the most delicate flowers can become everlasting works of art. Join this inspiring creative adventure to explore professional resin techniques, discover fresh floral design ideas, refine your artistic skills, and unlock new possibilities for transforming ordinary dried flowers into extraordinary resin masterpieces that radiate beauty, sophistication, and natural elegance for years to come. Let every project inspire confidence, spark imagination, and reveal the incredible potential hidden within nature's smallest details, proving that with creativity, patience, and artistic passion, simple dried flowers can become unforgettable resin artworks admired by family, friends, collectors, and art enthusiasts around the world. Imagine turning the delicate beauty of nature into everlasting works of art with stunning dried flower resin creations that capture elegance, creativity, and timeless charm in every design. This artistic journey celebrates the perfect harmony between natural botanicals and crystal-clear resin, creating luxurious handmade pieces that preserve the vibrant colors, intricate textures, and graceful forms of real flowers forever. From the moment each carefully dried bloom is selected to the final glossy finish, every step reflects patience, craftsmanship, and artistic passion. Discover inspiring resin art ideas featuring romantic roses, colorful daisies, elegant lavender, delicate baby's breath, vibrant wildflowers, eucalyptus leaves, pressed ferns, hydrangeas, cherry blossoms, and seasonal botanicals arranged into breathtaking compositions that resemble miniature gardens frozen in time. Learn how thoughtful placement, balanced color palettes, layered floral arrangements, transparent depth, and artistic lighting transform simple materials into premium decorative masterpieces suitable for modern interiors, cozy living spaces, elegant offices, and meaningful handmade gifts. Watch the magical transformation as clear resin gently surrounds every petal, preserving its natural beauty while creating a brilliant glass-like finish that enhances every detail. Explore creative projects including decorative trays, serving boards, coasters, jewelry dishes, elegant wall decor, photo frames, clocks, candle holders, ornaments, bookmarks, keychains, paperweights, table centerpieces, personalized gifts, holiday decorations, and unique home accessories that blend nature with contemporary design. Discover professional techniques for mixing resin accurately, eliminating bubbles, achieving crystal-clear transparency, creating smooth edges, adding multiple resin layers, embedding metallic flakes, incorporating shimmering pigments, using pearl powders, blending alcohol inks, adding gold leaf accents, and polishing surfaces until they sparkle with exceptional clarity. Whether creating soft pastel botanical themes, bold colorful floral arrangements, vintage-inspired designs, minimalist compositions, or luxurious abstract artwork, every project offers endless opportunities to express individual creativity and artistic style. Experience the calming and therapeutic process of arranging flowers with intention, transforming ordinary natural elements into extraordinary keepsakes filled with sentimental value and lasting beauty. Preserve flowers from weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, gardens, vacations, or meaningful celebrations, allowing precious memories to live on through handcrafted resin art that can be treasured for generations. Every finished creation becomes more than a decorative object. It becomes a story, a memory, and a reflection of nature's remarkable elegance preserved forever beneath a flawless, transparent surface. These inspiring resin art ideas encourage beginners to develop confidence while offering experienced artists fresh perspectives, innovative techniques, and exciting design possibilities that continue to push creative boundaries. Explore geometric patterns, flowing organic compositions, botanical mandalas, ocean-inspired floral scenes, celestial color combinations, earthy natural palettes, and modern luxury aesthetics that transform each artwork into a unique visual experience. Observe how sunlight passes through crystal-clear resin, illuminating every preserved flower with extraordinary brilliance and revealing delicate details from every viewing angle. Whether crafting for relaxation, personal enjoyment, home decoration, thoughtful gifting, social media inspiration, or building a successful handmade business, resin art with dried flowers offers endless creative opportunities that combine artistic expression with the timeless beauty of nature. Every bloom, every leaf, and every carefully crafted design reminds us that even the most delicate treasures can be preserved forever through creativity, imagination, and dedication. Allow this inspiring collection of beautiful resin art ideas to spark your imagination, encourage artistic exploration, and motivate you to create elegant botanical masterpieces that celebrate the extraordinary beauty found in the natural world. With every project, you'll discover new techniques, fresh inspiration, and limitless possibilities for transforming simple dried flowers into luxurious resin artworks that captivate viewers, inspire fellow artists, and stand as lasting symbols of creativity, craftsmanship, and timeless botanical elegance.